listen, these two systems are great systems, and these are just two of many systems available. But this Halo is a very popular system. And right here you can see it's a 5-stage whole home water filtration and conditioning system. What does that mean, whole home? It means it's not point of use. It means every bit of water coming into your home is going through this 5-stage filtration process, taking all the stuff out of the water you don't want in it. So think chlorine. There's chlorine in your water. Do you want to drink chlorine? No, you don't want to drink chlorine. Can you in small amounts? I guess you can. I mean, the government says it's safe, so it must be. So why is chlorine in your water? Let's talk about that real quick. Chlorine is your water because your water travels through pipes that are very old and poor infrastructure. As it's traveling through, there's different areas where the pipe could be compromised, and you could have things seep into that pipe on its journey to your home. Now, the chlorine takes care of most of those issues, keeps the water clean and drinkable. When it's too much for the chlorine to handle, that's when you see boil advisories. And the news says, hey, if you're gonna use any of the water, boil it first, right? That means the intrusion was much bigger than the chlorine can handle. But the chlorine is only in your water to keep it safe for you to drink, shower in, wash clothes in, et cetera, in case it gets polluted along the way. Now, once it gets into your home, you're gonna ingest it, you're gonna bathe in it, and it's gonna wreak havoc on your plumbing. It's gonna eat seals and O-rings over time. That's why toilets sometimes start leaking, because the seals in the toilet get worn down, and the only way to prevent it is to remove it. Remove it from you filtering it through your body, and remove it from it wreaking havoc on your plumbing. So, back to 5-stage whole home filtration system. Navien, this device here, this is amazing. This is one system that we can actually take a sample of your water, see exactly what is specifically in your water, what issues are you dealing with, what complaints do you have. Is it taste? Is it, I want the chlorine out, I want the nasty stuff out. You know, there's chromium-6 in water. Do you know that? Like, I don't know about you, I don't want to drink no chromium-6. Oh, but it's the government said that these are safe levels. You can have this much in the water. Now, chromium-6 isn't like Aaron Brockovich chromium-6. It's the same thing. That was a chemical industrial pollution of the groundwater. Chromium-6 is naturally occurring in our water, in the ground, and it gets into our water. So the government says, hey, as long as it stays below this level, you're fine. Okay, get that stuff out of your water. How do you get that stuff out of your water? These systems here, and this system right here, we can customize and design. We work with the engineers to attack exactly what you want to happen in your water. What do you want removed? What do you want it to do? What specific things are you dealing with? Very customizable. Our technicians can install either one of these systems in 4 to 6 hours, typically. It could take a little longer if there's more extensive plumbing that has to be done, some rerouting of plumbing, but these can always be done within a day's time.